I would like to congratulate Bhai Manohar Parrikar on his very wise decision to bring in Michael Lobo into politics. Ever since Michael has hit Calangute constituency, everything seems to be working at a very fast pace. The development of the roads, sewage, and most importantly, the garbage. After Michael won, he asked me, Walter, what do you want? So I asked him for 20 garbage bins. He asked me, why do you need 20 garbage bins? So I said, let's start with the kids. I sourced the garbage bins, I put up posters, cleanliness next to godliness, and they were distributed in the panchayat, mainly to the schools, so that the children could get the habit of collecting garbage properly.